Alright guys, on another mission here. Pick up a Audi TT. Don't forget, follow on Instagram, MK2 Madness. White Rice Dubs. Here we go. Oh, got the money right here too. I want some cherry wine to go with it. And the F-150. Let's roll. Alright, we got about an hour left on the journey. Scoop it up. We're still rolling. Trailer's empty. Well, there it is. Just rolled up. Oh, it's got paper in there. First look at the TT. A little bit of headlight stuff. Looking good. Looking good, looking good. Oh, we're getting there. Getting there late. Rolling. It's loaded on the trailer though. I don't know if you can see it. 225. Alright guys, gonna have first look. First thing in the morning. Well, it's like 9 something. But the new whip. Let's go do a little walk around. The looks of it last night, the paint was pretty good. Top looks brand new. Let's go check it out. We got big plans for this car. Maybe track it or just strip it, put it in the Mark II. Oh, that door won't open. Maybe this door panel was messed up. That's about it. Doesn't even smell there. Windows seem to work pretty good. Headlights are a little frosty. Can start to get her unloaded too. We got some cheapy tires on there. Oh yeah. I don't even know that name. Oh, Iron Man. Oh, we got some Iron Mans on there. Look at that. I moved Gen 2 AS. I don't think we'll be keeping those bad boys for the track. Slide right off. Alright guys, we can do the first startup. When I started at the place, it was pretty quiet, pretty smooth. Sounds pretty good, besides the secondary air there going on there. Sounds like a jet airplane. Top's looking pretty good though. Looks like it's pretty new. No lights on the dash yet? Oh, airbag light. We don't care about that. And it is a 6-speed. Shipper says 5, but it is a 6. Alright, let's get this thing unloaded. test drive. It is pretty snappy. Even though on those Iron Man tires, whew. Definitely slap the track with those bad boys. Got a little shake to it. Overall though, not bad, not bad.
All right, so what's up, YouTube? Don't know what this guy recorded, but he probably recorded something. I'm afraid to go look at it. New whip. Audi TT 225. Then you guys don't even know what probably car this is for. This is for the Syncro. So we're gonna, actually let me start over. I know it's been a minute since we made a video for the Syncro. It's just been sitting, but now it's actually gonna come. Sister's going to school, so she's gonna be out. Where's her car?
They just took off.
Oh. So yeah, so now we have an extra parking spot. So now we can bring a project car back and get the Syncro going. And we're pretty hyped. So we're just gonna put the motor in it, but we do have, I'll show more of that too for like episode 3, but we have like built trans, built diff from a Syncro. So we already kind of have built stuff to put in, which is gonna be nice. So we're gonna do like a full track build kind of car. But the biggest thing is we just needed a wiring harness and a motor. And that's what we got. And then, yeah, we got it for pretty cheap. It's like bone stock, which is nice. So unmolested by anything, and it's just clean. I know, you gotta pop it. But another cool thing is what I want to do. This is gonna be way in the future. Obviously, this is all-wheel drive and a 180T. I want to take the trans, a whole haldex, the tub, to put it into there. Have an all-wheel drive 20th with the GTX 30, hood dumped.
Oh, it's maybe too nice of a car to do that. I have to find another one to strip out.
This car?
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, honestly, when would you see this on a car? But this is the only downfall. This is how you know they didn't know what they had. What the fuck? Green coolant that's just filled to the brim. But yeah, look at all these parts. This is sick.
Bone stock.
I know, bone stock, even with the strut brace and all that. Pretty hype. Just missing points for the battery cover.
Yeah. Battery.
But we'll let that go. But yeah.
Factory HIDs.
Yeah, factory HIDs. Wait, look at that again. Green coolant. Rip.
Who does that?
I know, who does that? Sick though. So big stuff to come for the channel. I'm hyped. I'm gonna edit this video and upload it. But let's go take it for a spin real quick. And this is kind of cool on the side.
I know. It's an Audi thing.
Yeah, Audi thing.
Oh, let's get the top to go down.
Oh yeah, get the top to go down.
Yeah, look at that. 4 rings.
4 rings. It's clean though.
It is clean.
This is sick. You have to do it manually? Yeah.
Going back? Oh, yeah.
Yep. Drop top.
Oh, look at that. It's a lock in? Is there an extra windscreen or something back here?
I don't know.
What's that?
That's the glass.
No, the plastic in the... Hold on, this comes up or something there.
Does it?
Why is it? Is it on struts?
Yeah, I think
What
it
is
does
that?
come up. Or maybe it's just a cover. I don't know. Yeah, this is so when you flip it, you're okay. Because honestly,
On the track.
I'm gonna have my dad registered for fast service in this car and rip this on the track.
Yeah, we might have to work this around.
We have brakes. Yeah, we have brakes. I'm just gonna have them use the RCs from the 20th because they already got summer tire track tires, and we'll be good to go. Does it come up? This is when you know we don't know this stuff. Oh yeah, it is coming up. Oh wait, it's not coming out on that side. Oh yeah, it's a little window piece that comes up.
Hold on, it's not going up on that side?
Hold on. Hold on. I'm hoping it. Hit it. Hit it, no, hit it up. Keep going up. Okay, yeah. No worky. Yeah, it's mangled.
Oh, that's probably a pain in the ass to fix.
It's pretty responsive.
Yeah, it is.
I kind of like it. Yeah, but honestly, guys, I think we might just keep it and not part of the, I mean, strip it and just get another car. Rip this around.
Probably gonna need a turbo.
147K. Dude, I can do the convertible life. Honestly, I can do it.
It's a pretty clean car. Space to see through. Look at that.
Who can see out of that? Audi, what the? What the? Nah, this is awesome. Goodbye, Dad. Oh, it already says we're going 15 miles an hour. Right there. Dude, this is sick.
I know, I like this thing. When I got in it and drove it, I was like, fuck, dude, I like this.
This is awesome.
It's pretty good. And the air conditioner works.
Shoot.
I'll make sure you put that on YouTube, like AC.
Oh yeah, AC works, he said. But yeah, stay tuned. Lots to come for the channel now. Projects are gonna start flying through the garage.
Oh, don't forget your neglected track car. That's also flat tire.
Oh, does it?
It's close. Look how low it is.
Oh. Damn. Rusted rotors.
Oh, man.
Oh, look at all the spider webs.
See if it's got oil leak underneath there.
Oh, it doesn't leak. Power steering, it's gushing out. Yeah, I gotta pull the subframe, power steering rack, and trans on the R. So, Festivus is October 4th, so we got some prep to start doing. Now it's finally cooling down a little bit. So it's gonna be full in effect. We'll get going with everything. And you might be seeing this out on the track. So yeah, I'll catch you on the next one. Let me edit this video, see what this guy recorded.
I have to put some BCs or some sort of stuff.
Yeah, we'll get something going on, and we'll get it going. I'm pretty hyped, but yeah, catch you on the next one. Peace.
Suspension.